Hey,
Hey, how are you?
good.
What's your name?
Ivory.
I'm sorry?
Ivory.
Ivory? That is so pretty, Ivory. Okay, where's your parent at?
Yes.
Okay, mom, so we have consent?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Ivory, where you from, boo?
I'm from Bassfield, Mississippi.
Oh, she's out from Bethlehem, Mississippi. You made it. You said it with your heart. Okay, what you gonna sing for us?
I'm gonna sing Stand Up by Cynthia.
Let me hear that.
I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on.
Girl, let me tell you this. You know you could sing, huh? And let me
Yes,
tell you
sir.
this. Don't you ever forget it because you did that. Okay?
Thank,
Thank you so much, Ivory. Thank you so much. You did a really good job, okay? So,
thank you.
mom, I just followed you. I need you to DM me, okay?
I sure will.
Please don't forget, mom.
I'm not.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Ivory.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
All right, see you later.
See you later.
Ooh. Now, Ivory knows she can sing. That girl knows she can sing.